Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your Wi-Fi adapter is working and connected in Kali Linux. So let's get started. So in Kali Linux, we open a terminal, and the first command we'll use is to check the list of network devices that we have in our system Kali. As you can see, after we make sure that our Wi-Fi adapter is detected by system in Kali. So now let's check if it's connected or no. For this, we will use this command to make sure is the state device is connected or no. As you can see, our Wi-Fi adapter is connected with the Wi-Fi's name. This is the name of my Wi-Fi, Kali Linux, and the state is connected. So this is just a very easy step to make sure and to know that if your Wi-Fi adapter is connected. If you have any problem with that, I have posted an article that you will find the link of this article in the first comment, so you can go to my website and check step by step all things what you need to do if you find any problem with this. And also I accept any question that you have about this, and if you have any problem we can work together and help each other to solve it. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.